Video. Good morning, everyone. So this is the place. Okay. So as you can see, Gwen is having her chicheria moment. Yeah. So it has 2 bedrooms. This is the foyer, and this is the dining area with the bar. As you can see, Amber will cook rice for our breakfast. So we had mix of seafoods last night for our dinner. Say hi, Gwen. Say hi, Amber. This is the karaoke. And this is the living room area. Here's the kitchen. Huh? I'm a vlogger today. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go to the swimming pool. Oh, you take pics then and videos remembrance. So this is the kiddie pool. There's the 2 bedrooms and the lounging area. And as you can see, there's a slide. And that's the room where we stayed last night. So it has several beds. So let's check. Ashton is still sleeping. Let's open the door. There. Ashton is still sleeping. Several beds. It's more than enough for us. It has its own bathroom. Toby cannot make it kasi it's so far. And sabi ko wag na siyang tumuloy. So far talaga. So here's the pool with the slides. And thank you for Pepot, my only brother. Happy birthday to him. It's his birthday celebration. Oops. Good morning. Happy birthday, Pepot. Bye. Oh, say goodbye na. I'm ending my vlog. Okay. And it's Amber's turn to say goodbye. Say goodbye na, Amber. I'm ending my vlog. Bye. Bye. Paano yung ginaganon?